Hey, now good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the Shine Your Eye YouTube channel be this. So what I want to talk about this evening now about self-esteem and self-love when we women supposed to get. And I know say when most of us go get this thing whether they call self-love and self-esteem, it go save us a lot of drama for this Europe when it come to relationship aspects. Okay, so I dey scroll around for YouTube today. I come see one video wey one presenter dey do. She dey talk about one guy wey e be say e get wife wey e bring come from Nigeria. E come still go Austria go carry another girl, and whether na girl whether na woman, come still dey follow go put money for her head say e wan marry her. Meanwhile, e get 2 children already with another woman wey e bring come from Nigeria. So this thing come dey make me dey wonder say wetin dey worry most of this our Edo men, wetin dey worry dem? E be like say some of them dey demonized or dey possessed. They no fit stay say they no cause confusion abi na wetin dey do some of them. You go see them, they go born for here, they go marry for here, they go born for here. Wetin be una problem? Na so the women cheap for una. You get woman for house, you still get mind take go Austria go get another girlfriend or go put money for another woman head for her side. Na so all these women cheap. The thing dey surprise me at times. Wetin dey do una? Here na una, here na una, baby mama everywhere. If they talk of jab, there is jab women for Europe, na una be first when they reach there for comment section. Go dey write nonsense put for there. Meanwhile, all the many baby mama for this Europe, na una cause am. Una go chook for here, una go run. Una go chook for here, una go run. Una go promise this one marriage, una go disappoint her. Una go promise the other one marriage, una go disappoint her. When una wan get sense, because una matter dey irritate everybody for this Europe now. Una matter dey irritate people. Today na Collins, tomorrow na John. Waiting. Na only una get pennies. If they say una work, una no gree work. If they say una do this one, una no gree do. Just sit down, they destroy una fellow women life. They destroy una women when are supposed to respect, when are supposed to love, when are supposed to protect. When they carry hand, they destroy their life one by one. And these women they no get sense to take respect themselves. Wash their kpekus carry enter house. Wait man when be say he ready to marry them, he ready to provide for them, he ready to respect them, he ready to be faithful to them. They go, if this one do this, they go run go. If this one do hey, they go run go. When una go get sense, all these women? When? Because we dey shame for una. Okay, see the one with the Australia. Man, they come and see you twice a day or twice in or whatever. They come and see you. You know what even ask of the man life. You know even go take recommendation letter. As he tell you saying with your wife not dey again, you know who fit find out anything. You don't take recommendation letter from anybody. You don't ask for nothing. You just trust one man, make you go put money for your head because many of una dey desperate for marriage, like say una marriage na wetin una wan die put. Una no dey look the relationship, una dey look the marriage. See the boy when they even talk of just now. See hair when put for head. Irresponsible, dey smell follow am. Person wey get good work, get good life, e no go put one kind ugly hair for head like that. E look like thug. E don even bleach his skin. If there's someone una look for better malala, una no gree look for. Una go dey look for thug. una go dey look for all this men wey men yama 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 yama. Which kind pikin una wan born with all this yama yama men with wey do appearance like say they dey go bush? Una no dey get sense. Na do women. Man come go put money for your head. He say he get 2 children. Nowadays, as things be now, if man wan friend you, you really want better relationship, healthy relationship, not be marriage or relationship wey be say you go for dey get hypertension, dey get BP. You go even go investigate, go reach e relationship wey first dey before. If you say na woman wey first born for herself, you go even go know everything about that woman. You go want know everything about that woman, how they take break up, how everything take be, because na that one go determine the type of relationship wey you go get with this man. If he dey cheat for where he from dey come, no think say that cheat e no go reach your body. You no go expect a man wey break up with him wife 2 months ago dey cheat up and down, dey irresponsible. You no go tell me say under that 2 months he don rehabilitate himself from cheating, from lying, from being responsible to his family, to come jump come dey with you overnight and be responsible. E no possible. E no possible. But una no dey look all those pictures at all. Una no dey look that one. Wetin una dey look? E get cassava. Oh yeah, make we start. Wetin dey do una? Una no go even ask question. Una still dey believe all these our darky men when they open their mouth. Una still dey believe them. Man wey don take cream bleach himself, come carry one ugly hair put for head. Whether you senior or you not senior, no be age they take dey marry. No be age. Man wey go marry person go marry person. If you like you senior, if you like you born 20 children, but you need to check out where you dey enter. You need to check out where you dey go. All this born for here, born for here, born for here, born for here, born for here. Who our men dey practice so? E no dey make many dey last. E no dey make many dey focus. E no dey make many dey productive. All this behavior dey go for genetic inside the blood na dey. So make we dey train our men. We as mother train our children in a good way, in a responsible way. No be this one wey we dey so. Wey some men just turn to destroyer. Everywhere they destroy. Everywhere they destroy. Everywhere. If they meet this woman, they will destroy. If they meet this one, they will destroy. They don't take women turn to two women, but they will argue. This man, you say don't go pay your bride price. He get another wife with 2 children. The woman contact you. They say no, now they beat her up and down. Una even they talk between and move the man come up for inside the whole equation. When it be say now the man be the ogbeti, no hoa. When they say this matter, now he be the problematic. Now he was supposed to carry why see ta because now he be the problem when they say this matter. But be that say una now una can't do maga pass. Una go move the man 2 of una go dey fight una self. Una go dislike every woman around una. Look every woman as threats around una. Una go leave the man wey be say be the problem come off for one corner. If he finish with una, he will go meet another woman, go cause another confusion for another woman life. When all this nonsense go stop, when it will stop, our major the irresponsible everywhere, baby mama everywhere. Una dey destroy una life. Una dey destroy the children when they come again. Una dey destroy their life. Which kind devil enter una body? You even tell the woman say na because of paper na you dey friend the other woman. That woman na immigration for your eye. Na immigration. Why e be say una no dey finish for criminal activities, criminal mind? All una in ten tion na how to defraud person, how to do wayo for everything una dey do. Everything na wayo. Where una integrity dey as a man? Where e dey as a man, Edo man? Where una integrity dey? No shame. Una don turn to national disgrace for everywhere una go. Una go cause confusion everywhere. Na you dey get two women with this your ugly face. Na you dey get two women. You won dey jobless, but you get two women. You get high take carry two women with your joblessness. I blame the women because they don't get shame for face. They don't get face. They don't get shame. They don't even get face to show anybody. If they get shame, they for know how to carry jobless man for house. We know they go work. Wetin one man wan do for you if you no dey work? You no dey get belle, no be say you dey fat, no be nothing. You no fit work, you no cut hand, you no cut leg. School you no go. Learn work full year, work jabrata wey you fit learn. Construction dey, electrician dey, mechanic dey, all of them dey wey you fit learn. Una no go gree learn. Una prefer to dey useless everywhere. They pollute everywhere. I think when we use our sense for all this one, when someone man they carry two women at a time, they deceive the two of them. At the end, the two women will end up to the fight. They will leave the man for corner. It's not fair. May we learn how to stand for ourselves as a woman, how to wait for the right time, instead of us to the carry man wey be say it don't make sense, it not ready for life. If man wey dey useless. We need to get self-esteem. Man, you tell you say one marry you, you never will do any investigation about that. He tell you say with the woman not there, you just believe her. You know how many men wey full Facebook when they run follow different women, they lie say them with their women not there. Meanwhile, them with their women they inside the same house. All these men, they are so desperate. That is why you as a lady, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be careful with them. They have no integrity. They have no soul, these men. You have to be careful. You see what these colleagues do now. Get one woman for Germany, they get another one for Austria. Even pass bag, open money for that one ahead for back. They tell her may they call all the family. Because all this fraud and all their family join. Because many of the families said they want me the men, may their children even die through themselves. If na small land they get for beneath them, may they keep am from themselves. If na small property they get, may they keep am for themselves. It no concern them. They know they feel they advise their children because of useless material things. That is how shameless some of their family is. They have no shame. They have no dignity. They are all poverty mind and shameless. So maybe they use sense till they do all these things. If man talk to you, ask question around that everywhere. Go put money for my head though. When they pack, they come. Wetin pursue one for the first woman when get baby mama. Now only one dey this world where they get baby mama. Wetin pursue one, you know answer from that first woman wey for come on. Wetin they pursue one they go. You know ask her. You know answer. Maybe they use sense so. All this nonsense wey they do so. At the end, the children, those two children, now they will suffer am. May all these men dey responsible. Enough is enough. Una don destroy women life enough. una don use life for everywhere reach. Okay, una dey think before una dey do something. Make una get strong self worth as a woman. You no go attract all these kind useless men. I go put the picture under this video. Una see a face wey dey marry 2 women, wey dey deceive 2 women. This is face so. Na then you now still take know say all these women they not get level. If you get level, you no go even give ear to this refrat. So I will end this video for here. I love all of una. Make una get strong self-esteem. Make una love una self. If una love una self, no man go fit take una take clean ground. Men love women wey hard. Men love women wey get self-esteem, wey know wetin dem want, wey no dey take yes for everything because dem wan marry. Men love am. Men love to fight for wetin dem want. I love all of una. Bye bye. Una good night. Bye. Na the Shine Your Eye YouTube channel be this. If you like this video, make you not forget to subscribe. I love all of una. Bye bye.